everyone, it's me, and welcome back, and today I am doing my very first toy review. And today, this is my toy review on White Tigerzord. So now, Power Rangers sucks nowadays, but now, yeah, I'm purchasing this vehicle, but I don't have a Super Sentai version of it. And yeah, let's do the location configuration. I see. And here's the arm looks like this. And look at this. Yeah, I totally tell you, but I don't have to say this a tiger fit. So yeah, here's a tiger fit. So yeah, I'm going to do it there because here but still, I will show you the title. Okay, I decided to do it really good. Okay, oh yeah. So yep, this is one. Here we go. It's the tiger. Did you ever use this? Yeah. Here we go. Hey, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.